Hello, this is Dan. We're down in the shop today, and it is Christmas Eve, and we just opened some presents virtually, of course, observing all guidelines and such. And one of the presents that we got was this lovely Syma X23W drone. So we're going to do a quick setup video here. I saved some time by just doing some basic unboxing already. The drone itself was pretty much fully assembled, except the battery was out of it. So I will try to show how you install and remove the battery. Right now it's installed. Like I said, when you buy it, it does not come installed. So you push this button and pull it out, and here's the battery. I would recommend that the first thing you do is charge the battery. In the instructions they say that you should charge it by plugging it into the computer or something, but they give you this USB cord here. This end attaches to the conductors on the back of the battery, like so. A little clamp. Sorry, that's off. You just clamp it on there. When this lights up red, like it is right now, it could use some charge. So instead of plugging it into a computer, I'm actually going to see if I can just plug it in. This is an old cell phone charger that I have. Plug it into old cell phone charger. Let's see if this works. And that does look like it's working. The red light being on means it's charging. Once that light turns off, then it is full. It takes about 2 hours and 10 minutes to charge, and you get about 7 minutes of fly time off of that. So while that's charging here briefly, I do want to show the controller here needs 4 AA batteries. It does not come with those batteries, so you have to put them in yourself, and that is done by unscrewing this here. And I thought originally you just pull up. That's not true. You push downward. Got to make sure the screw is totally loose. Push downward, and obviously I've already tested this, so that's the only reason there's batteries in here. But get 4 AA batteries. Make sure to observe polarity on the top row. Negative to the right, positive, positive to the left, and on the bottom row just the opposite. Negative to the left, positive to the right. It is a little bit annoying that these don't really sit in here very well. You can see they want to pop out on their own. So you kind of got to hold it while you put this on. You want to start out way down here and then slide it upward and retighten. So that is the operation there. Alright. This particular model came with this clip that can be used to hold a cell phone if you download the app. I'm not going to do that, but the clip is installed by just pushing it in, and you hear a little click there. And then on this side, if you want to remove it, you can depress the detent and pull gently, and it's back off. Okay, so I'm going to go through a quick startup here in the next video. Thank you.